Hello, this is 47 Tech. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this widget on your S25 Ultra or your other Samsung devices. Also, if you have any questions about removing the icons on top of my screen and the icon pack, it will be on my YouTube channel. So for this specific widget, we're going to need two apps. First is going to be the KWGT Widget Manager. This app will manage all your KWGT packs. The next app that we're going to download is called Desaturate Pro KWGT. This is the widget that will have all those cool looking KWGT widgets. Once we install both apps, all we have to do is tap and hold the screen and install a widget called KWGT. Let's tap and hold on any KWGT widget. Let's adjust the widget. To access the app, all we have to do is tap on the screen. Next, we are going to look for the Desaturate KWGT. You just have to keep scrolling until you find the B Clock 19, or you can just search the name on top using the search button. Tap on the widget. To change the color, look for the global tab. Select the boxes and change the color. Once you are done changing the color, all you have to do is save and close the app. I'm going to show you how to resize the widget. If it's too small or too big, just tap the widget, tap on the layer tab, and to adjust, just tap the minus or plus button. And don't forget to hit save. If you want to change the word on the widget, tap on the first stack group. Tap on the first one. This will select the first two letters. Tap on text. And here, this is where you can retype the words. For example, I am going to put the number 47. Once you're done, tap on the check mark. So I have 47. Now I'm going to replace the last few letters. Tap on the second stack group. Tap on the first one. Tap on the text settings and change the word. Now this is what I have. Tap save and close the app, and that's it. Also, the Desaturate KWGT Pro app has more widgets. You guys can just look through them and install them. Have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.